Hey, welcome to the Bot Forge. In this training series, I'm going to walk you step by step through the entire process of creating, training, configuring, and deploying your own AI chatbot. Whether you're using the Bot Forge for yourself, for your business, or to resell bots to your clients, this series will show you everything you need to know, and we'll build a full production-ready bot together. After you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This page shows all of the bots that you've created. If you're on a plan that allows sub-clients or co-contributor bots, those will show up here as well. At the top, you'll see how many bots you're currently using out of your quota, as well as how many message credits you've used. Each bot displays its basic stats. Status. Date created. Message quota. Messages used. To open any bot, just click Manage Bot. To create a brand new chatbot, click this button right here. Forge New Bot. This is what starts the entire process. On the bot config page, you control your bot's brain and personality. You can write or paste your bot instructions, which tells the AI how you want it to behave. Things like tone, style, its job, how to respond, and any rules you want it to follow. Below that, you can choose your model. Each model has different strengths and message credit usage. Then you have the temperature slider, which controls how creative or focused the bot's responses should be. And finally, you can set your bot status to active or disabled. The Training tab is where your bot learns everything about your business. You can train it with website links, uploaded documents like PDFs or Word files, direct text input, and YouTube video transcripts. All of your training data gets stored securely in your private vector store. The panel on the left lets you switch between each type of training. The Chat tab is where you can talk to your bot in real time. This is the best place to test how your training data and instructions are affecting its responses. If you make a change in training or configuration, come back here and ask the bot questions to see how it behaves. The Leads tab lets your bot collect names, emails, phone numbers, and custom messages. You can fully customize the form fields, choose which are required, and decide when the bot should display the form. On the right side, you also have contact scraping, which lets the bot automatically detect emails and phone numbers typed during normal chat conversations. The History tab shows every conversation your bot has had, including the user messages, the bot's responses, timestamps, and which model was used. You can view or download any conversation, which is extremely helpful for improving your training or connecting with leads. That's the quick overview of the Bot Forge interface. In the next video, we're going to build a brand new bot together. And by the end of that video, you'll already have something working that you can talk to immediately. Let's jump in.